Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm looking at this Summit First Aid and Survival Kit. The pouch has a couple of little options for attaching it to your belt or a bag. I got this one from Tesco's. They're not selling them anymore, so I actually got two, the last two that were in the shop. But they're still on sale on Amazon and eBay and things like that. So, let's have a look, see what's inside. I'll just hold this card up and you can pause it here for a minute and you can read what's inside it. I'll also put all this in the description as well, if you just want to just go straight to that bit. As with all first aid kits, they're constrained by what the price point is, and no kit will have everything in it you specifically want. But this is what's in this one. So we've got a few little bandages. No triangular bandage, which is unusual for a first aid kit. Normally they always have one of them. But I've got this on my shamar here, so that will all work out. Some cut to size plaster. Some safety gloves. You always want some sterile gloves if you're dealing with a wound. Try and keep infection to a minimum. Here's the massive 1 metre of microporous tape. That's really not enough. A little torch. There you go. Yep, as I thought. Got to take a little blocker thing out here for the battery for it to work. Quite fiddly. Right, when I eventually got them in, that works. What else we got? A little whistle. Yeah, that's loud enough. That's that side empty. Right, let's have a look on the other side. Oh, got our mylar blanket. They're always handy. Some cheap little scissors. Be good for cutting down the plaster to the right size. Like I said before, hygiene, some alcohol wipes, keep things nice and clean. Good handful of safety pins. Those, you can always fashion a sling with them out of your clothing. And a sterile pad. But no gauze or anything like that. So like I say, these kits, they're always, they're never going to be perfect for what you want. So the idea is you should, buy one of these and then adapt it. So anyhow, that's the Summit First Aid and Survival Kit. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. And please consider subscribing. Cheers.